In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image behind header on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean image sitting behind your site's header so your branding stands out without covering your navigation. First, open your Wix editor. On the left, click the plus icon to open the Add panel. From here, choose Strip. A strip is a full-width section that's perfect for background visuals because it stretches edge to edge and is easy to position. In the strip options, pick Classic, then select any strip style you like. Don't worry about the design for now. We're going to turn it into a custom image background next. With the new strip selected on your page, click Change Background. In the background settings, choose Image. This switches the strip's background type from color to image. If you already see an image you want in your site files, you can use it. But if not, click Upload Media to bring in your own graphic or photo. Choose a high-resolution image that's wide enough to look sharp across desktop screens. After the upload completes, apply the image by confirming the change in the background settings so it appears inside the strip. Next, we'll make sure the right tools are visible so we can control layer order. At the top of the editor, click Tools, then turn on Toolbar if it isn't already visible. The toolbar gives you arrange controls for bringing elements forward or sending them backward. Now click your site's header to select it. On the toolbar, click the Arrange icon, then choose Bring to Front. This ensures the header sits above everything else, which is exactly what we want when placing an image behind it. With the header in front, select the strip and drag it upward so it sits behind the header area at the top of the page. Align the strip's top edge with the top of your canvas and use the strip's handles to adjust its height so the image fills the space behind your header without crowding your content. Keep an eye on contrast. If your header text or logo becomes hard to read, consider choosing an image with a calmer top area or more negative space. When your layout looks right, click Preview to see it in action without the editor overlays. Scroll, check responsiveness, and confirm that your header elements remain clear and clickable with the image cleanly behind them. If you need small tweaks, return to the editor, nudge the strip's position or height, and preview again. That's it. Your header now sits neatly in front of a custom background image.